Hello everyone, I'm Gurpreet, and in this video I'm gonna share 5 Laravel extensions with you that you can use in your VS Code, and those extensions will help you to improve your code speed and also productivity. Okay, so let's move the VS Code. Let's move the VS Code and let's see the extension that I want to share with you. So the first extension I have already opened, the Laravel Snippets. It's only Laravel Snippets. Okay, so Laravel Snippets provides you the all. I just want to share example with you. Okay, so let's go on web.php. Okay, so and write roc. Okay, so see, you can add these controller. Okay, so you can see I have wrote like ATH, and then I got snippets of Laravel auth attempt, auth check, auth guard, cached. So this is all provided by the extension Laravel, and then we will move on another extension, which is Laravel Blade Snippets. Okay, this is the extension. So this is the extension that will help you to provide snippets in Blade. Okay, so as you can see, it provides all the Blade snippets. Let's see the example how it does the all work. So for example, if we want to add an if condition. Okay, so it provides like if block, if else, include first, include if, loop first, each and everything it provides, but we just need to add enter. Okay, so and the same thing we can do with for loop. Same thing we can do with for loop, and the same thing we can do with for each. Okay, this is how it works. So this is the second extension that you can use with your Blade template, and the third extension is Laravel Extra Intelligence. So okay, if for example, if we are using route here, okay, so it provides, like I have already I wrote the G letter here, and it provides the autocomplete of that particular letter. So it provides get. So this is the extension, but it provides autocomplete of any kind of, like this is the example of, we can see here, it provides the autocomplete syntax, you can say. Okay, so this is the third extension, and the fourth extension is Laravel. It was also part of this video. So Laravel go to view, what it does. So Laravel go to view extension provides you the functionality. So if as you can see here, if you will hover on any view, you can land on the view by clicking on that particular view. So in controller also, in controller, in mainly we use view in controller. So you can click on, you can hover on view, and you can easily go on view with the help of this extension. Beautify Blade, I think. Yeah, so this extension format the code of Blade template, and this